Opta Fitness Sport Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get fitness apps wrong. They assume they are just for tracking steps or following a few generic workouts. The surprising truth about Optiv is that it combines expert-led audio workouts, personalized training plans, and a variety of fitness options that actually keep you motivated. And you won't believe how flexible it can be. Here's how it works. Optiv offers audio-guided workouts led by certified trainers. You choose your fitness level, workout type like running, strength, yoga, or cycling, and the app guides you step by step with timing, cues, and motivation. There's no staring at a screen or figuring out what to do next. The trainer's voice keeps you on track. For example, a beginner looking to start running can select a 5K training plan, and the app breaks it down into daily sessions, telling you exactly when to jog, walk, or sprint. Most people get this wrong. They think audio workouts are limited, but Optiv has over 3,000 workouts across dozens of categories, including stretching and meditation for recovery. Additional features include personalized weekly schedules, tracking progress, integration with Apple Health and Fitbit, and even music playlists synced with your workout pace. Users praise the variety, accessibility, and the feeling of having a personal trainer in your pocket. However, there are considerations. The subscription model may be pricey for some, and audio-only guidance might not suit those who prefer visual demonstrations. Most people assume it's only for cardio, but strength, yoga, and even mindfulness sessions are included. In conclusion, Optiv is ideal for anyone who wants flexible, guided, and motivating workouts at home, outdoors, or in the gym. It's especially useful if you want professional guidance without needing a personal trainer. Subscribe for more honest reviews of fitness and health apps.